Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Ya Ahlul Quran, I hope and pray that you are in the best state of health and increasing state of Iman. Ameen. Inshallah, today we'll learn ayah number 4 of Surah Rahman. Allamahul bayan. Allamahu. Ain is a letter pronounced from the middle part of our throat. We should not mispronounce the letter Ain like Hamza. Allamahu should not sound Allamahu. A and A are totally different letters. Allamahul, the letter Ha, which is in the word Allamahu, is connected to the letter Lam al-Qamariya, which is in the word Al-Bayana. Allamahul bayana. Hamzatul wasl, which is in the beginning of the word al bayana, is not at all pronounced because Hamzatul wasl is ignored during wasl. Wasl means to recite from the previous word. Allamahul bayan. Letter Ya has fatha on it, which is followed by alif. That is alif mad, stretch for 2 haraka. But now, due to madul arid li sukoon, we can stretch letter Ya for either 2 counts or 4 count or 6 count, inshallah. Due to madul arid li sukoon, which we already discussed in ayah number 1, where we discussed the 3 conditions of madul arid li sukoon. Alhamdulillah, this ayah is now fulfilling all those 3 conditions, so we can stretch the letter Ya for 2 or 4 or 6 count, inshallah. Allamahul bayan. Allamahul bayan. Jazakumullahu khairan. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.